mix them up.
So mix up the cookies.
Mix them up.
Mix up the cookies.
Can't do it too much, you get mad.
That's all right.
Get too mad. Okay. Where's one? Where's one?
One.
Good job.
Right.
Where's number two? Where's number two? Where's number two?
She has to look at them all first.
I know.
She's remembering them.
You missed one. Where's number two? Ah, lost interest. Where's number two?
Show her too.
I don't even know where to go.
It's up here.
Right here.
Right here. Oh, right there.
Right here. Two.
That'll get her going again.
Where's number two?
1, 2.
Where's three? Nope. Where's three? Nope. Yep. Yay. Where's four? Good job. Where's five? Ah, you remember. Good. Wow. 7? Wow. That's crazy. 8? Wow.
8.
That's 8. Where's 9? Very good. And 10? Yay!
Awesome, Kaylin.
Good job.